this video, we're going to take a look at generating a design report out of Storyboard. And to do that, you can go into your project folder, select your project file, just do right-click, Storyboard Export, and right here, Export Storyboard Design Report. And here you can choose what sections of the report you want generated, so you can see little descriptions for what you're going to take a look at. And you can export this report as a PDF or in HTML. And when you hit finish, this report gets generated. And if we want to take a look at it, just hit yes. And also the folder is added to your project. So we'll just expand this view, and you can sort of see a table of contents for your whole design report. And it's a very nice way to get an overall view of what different elements, properties, actions, everything about your project in a single view. Good to share with a coworker or a client, other members of your team, which is really convenient. Here, just on the application, I can see, what variables are bound at the application level, what actions are in place. Screen view gives me all the different layers that a screen's using, and if it's using design states, shows that as well. And then, the more you dig into this, you can see information about your screen transitions or, font usage and this sort of thing. And there are opportunities that, you can look at that you might be able to consolidate some information or see some parts of the project that, aren't being used anymore that you can get rid of to, save on memory and so on. And taking a look at different file size information, these sorts of things in case there is a target size goal that you need your project to fit into for a certain platform. So it's a really handy tool. It's very easy to work with, and that is working with Storyboard Design Reports.